But can you just tell us what exactly is going on here?
We are here because we had an invasion from the police through the Adeyinka family. No, they're policemen. They are not people, they are policemen. They are defending themselves.
Yes.
And we are trying to resolve the case. A lot of houses have been marked maybe for, they've taken possession. But we are surprised this night that there's an intervention being brought in for what we don't know. So we are not going to allow them to come in, and we are going to make sure that we protect our own.
And we can see policemen have taken over the gate, huh?
Of course, policemen are at the gate. We had over 200 policemen.
Mobile policemen.
Yes, more than 200.
All of them armed.
Armed to the teeth. But that's not even the issue. We don't have any problem with police. We don't have any problem. All we want is that for Lagos State government to solve this problem politically. ASAP. We don't have any problem with it.
Has the Lagos State government spoken about this situation?
Not to my knowledge yet. But we are making contact, and I know that the governor sent somebody here today through the CP. So we are waiting for the final.
So how do the residents feel at this moment?
Oh, how do we say it? Agitated. Actually, partly people are saying, what is going on here? People are not really happy that we went to work and suddenly we come back and our houses are being taken over. This case has been on for so long. Where we stay, what we are saying is that Lagos State government should find a way to resolve this issue. We should not, we have gone through this so many times, I've been detained sometimes this year on this issue, and I feel it's not right. Because the government should come to our aid.
The policemen, did they tell you where they came from? Who gave them the order to come here?
At least the leader said he came from the IG's office. That's what the leader said.
So obviously the IG sent the policemen to come here and take over this place.
I don't know that. That's what he claimed. I don't know whether it's true. I don't know whether the IG sent him, but he claimed that the IG sent him.
All right. Thank you.
This is a protest going on at Magodo Gate. This is for all residents' information right now. This is 10 minutes to 10 p.m. Tomorrow we're going to have a protest at the gate. We are locking up all both gates, Shangisha Gate and Secretariat Gate. No going out, no coming in. Based on what has happened today, the estate is under siege. We had an invasion of over 100 police officers and there's a bulldozer on standby. So we are informing all residents. The gates will be shut. No going out, no coming in. There is a protest in Magodo. Thank you.
Not even this
all right,
night.
so this is a bulldozer in front of the gate. Please, can you leave that place, sir?
I think I need to read it.
This is a bulldozer. Everybody should please go online. This is a bulldozer in front of the Magodo gate. We don't know who owns it based on what has happened today.
Right now, dude.
This bulldozer is trying to make its way into Magodo, and we have residents at the gate and the ESCO, and we are not allowing it in. This is for everybody's information, please. Come to Shangisha Gate if you can. Thank you.